Standard 10, Subject Science and Technology, Part 1. Lesson number 3, Chemical Reactions and Equations. We are going to learn the concept of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means an increase in oxidation state or loss of electrons. Reduction means a decrease in the oxidation state or gain of electrons. Let us see another meaning of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means addition of the oxygen and removal of the hydrogen is called oxidation. And see another one, reduction. Addition of the hydrogen and removal of the oxygen is called reduction. Now see the difference between oxidation and reduction. In oxidation, gain of oxygen, and in reduction, loss of oxygen. Now again you see, in the oxidation, loss of hydrogen, and in reduction, gain of hydrogen. And in oxidation, loss of the electron, and in reduction, gain of electrons. And in oxidation, increase in oxidation number, and in reduction, decrease in the oxidation number. In the first two reactions, a reactant combined with the oxygen, whereas in the last two reactions, hydrogen is removed from the reactant. All these are examples of the oxidation reaction. Therefore, the chemical reaction in which a reactant combined with the oxygen or losses hydrogen to form the product is called oxidation reaction. Now let us see oxidizing agent. Chemical substances which bring about an oxidation reaction by making oxygen available or by itself undergoing reduction are called oxidant or oxidizing agent. For example, potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate. Now see the reducing agent. Chemical substances which bring about a reduction reaction by making hydrogen available or by itself undergoing oxidation are called reductants or reducing agent. For example, lithium hydride, lithium aluminum hydride, and calcium hydride. Let us see the redox reaction. See the definition of redox reaction. The reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously is called a redox reaction. In this reaction, an oxygen atom goes away from copper oxide, which means that reduction of the copper oxide takes place. Whereas hydrogen molecule takes up oxygen atom and water is formed, it means that oxidation of the hydrogen takes place. Thus, oxidation and reduction reaction occur simultaneously. The reduction is oxidized by the oxidant and oxidants is reduced by the reductant. Due to these characteristics of the reduction and oxidation reactions, a single term redox reaction is used in place of the two terms reduction and oxidation, that is called redox reaction. Now all of you see the corrosion. See the definition of the corrosion. The slow process of decay or destruction of the metal due to the effect of air, moisture and acid on it is known as corrosion. Corrosion is spontaneous destruction of metals and alloys as a result of chemical and electrochemical interaction with their environment. Corrosion damages the buildings, bridge, automobile, ships and other articles mainly made of iron. Prevention of the corrosion is always necessary. It will not only save the money but also prevent the accident. It can be prevented by using anti-rust solution, coating surface by paint, process like galvanizing and electroplating with other metals. Now see the rusting of the iron. See the definition of the rusting. Due to the effect of the moisture, a layer of the reddish brown color is deposited over the surface of iron is called rust. The rusting process takes place rapidly in the presence of the salt, and for the rusting, water and air are necessary. Now see in this figure, oxygen, iron and water are combined together and form rust. The rust on iron does not form by a simple reaction of the oxygen with iron surface. The rust is formed by an electrochemical reaction. Now see the example of rusting. Formula of the rust: Fe2O3.XH2O. It is called as hydrated iron oxide. Here X stands for number of water molecule. The rust is formed by an electrochemical reaction. In this reaction, at the anode region, iron is oxidized to Fe2 plus ions and oxygen is reduced to form the water in the cathode region. When Fe2 plus ions migrate from the anode region, they react with the water and further get oxidized to form the Fe3 plus ions. A reddish colored hydrated oxide is formed from Fe3 plus ions. It is called rust. It collected on the surface. Now see the rancidity. What is rancidity. When leftover edible oil is heated, it starts frothing up and its smell turns foul. If food is cooked in this oil, its taste changes. This is due to the oxidation of oil. When oil and fat are oxidized or even allowed to stand for a long time, they become rancid. This process is called rancidity. And antioxidants are used to prevent the oxidation of food containing fats and oils. Storage of the food in airtight containers also retards oxidation or slow down the oxidation process. For example, kurkure, chips, fries, etc. are stored in airtight containers. Thank you.